These 8mm bolts take about 20 to 23 Newton meters. You can do the math, which is 23 foot-pounds divided by 1.35 equals foot-pounds. Copper slip anti-seize grease. I'll be putting this on these clamp bolts as well. Why do I do this? Because I can. And it's good practice to tighten it evenly. So I'll show you now. The even gap between the top and the bottom. Using the back piece of the vernier, the top doesn't go in, but the bottom does. So I'll loosen the top ever so slightly again, and then tighten the bottom, and then just keep on doing this until it goes in the top. Doesn't go into the bottom, but hey, as long as it's close. Doesn't go in top, doesn't go in bottom. There we are. Get that angle right again. This just spins on. Oh wow, look at that. It's on. You don't have to tighten it much, because as you pedal it tightens itself up. There we are. It's good enough. I'll put these on backwards. With all washers, you have a front side and then a back side, because the way that they're made, I mean, they're pressed, and as they're pressed out, it makes a sharp edge on the one side and a round edge on the top. So for this, because I have painted it, I'm going to put the rounded edge on the front so it doesn't dig in and tear the paint off so much. I think it's starting to look like a bicycle. Just the front wheel now. I don't know why, just because. Let's make them the same. See, that is opposite, so gotta make them the same. Oh shit, it looks good. $40. It's nowhere near stretching yet. We'll probably go more than 40. fluffy. Nice baby. Oh, this is 2.7K. So I'm going to switch over to 1440p. So apparently 1440 is better for chest mounted positions. Here we go. So this is 1440. Let's see if there's a big difference. This 1440 is at master link's not on this side. Come on. 1440 is at 48 frames per second. So twice the frame rate. Hopefully delivers good results. Okay, time to put the chain on. Travels this way. And then you put the link on the correct way, otherwise it might just come off. I mean, the clip on the link. You put that on the right way, otherwise it might come off. And I now will show you which is the correct way, in case you did not know. But you might know after this, but I can only let you know whenever I find my long nose pliers. Alright, let's loosen this clip off. We'll get there one day. Yes. Clip off, plate off, master link out. See, here's a little clip. Put a little clip on. Alright, so when you pedal, you're pedaling this way. And what obviously happens is the chain runs this direction. So when it comes to putting the clip on, first you check which is the front, back. Well, as I mentioned about the washers, one side will always be sharp, one side will be rounded. Always put the sharp side out so it can actually grip onto it. And if you put it on the other way, it might just run along that soft edge and then, I don't know, somehow open itself, if that's possible. But anyways, I'll just put it on the proper way. So the chain runs this way, so you want to put the closed side of the link or the clip to the front of the direction it's running. The reason for this is in case you might just hit something, the clip won't fall off, it actually pushes it on. Same thing happens for chains on dirt bikes too. Exactly the same thing. Alright, so the chain's on. Let's do this now. What is this, you ask? I don't know. Whatever needs to be done. No. 30. 40. Get off, man. Here it is. Not too bad. I'm gonna keep moving back and forth. Man, you off until the tank clicks both sides. So this is it of BMX, and make sure there's no sounds. That's good.